Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Blazer RS. For the month of September, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers over $5,200 in savings. This all-wheel drive Blazer comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, black Chevy decals, and 20-inch dark Android machine face aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio speakers, jet black leather seating with a red lining throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a moonroof as well. Now, when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have cooling seating and heated seating, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and even front collision alert. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.